Myself, Amit Lunkad from Sitabai Thite College of Pharmacy, Shirur, comes with the presentation on sulfonamides. After completion of this presentation, you will able to know the effect of modification on sulfonamide, that is SAR of sulfonamide. Let's begin with the structural activity relationship of sulfonamide. Sulfonamide drugs are derivatives of sulfanilamide. Here is the structure and we give the numbering starts from the carbon atom where sulfonyl group is attached. So we put the number 1 and accordingly we give the further number to the carbon. Here in this moiety there are the presence of 2 amino groups. So for our convenience purpose, the amino group which are attached to sulfonyl we consider as a N1, and to the carbon number 4, the amino group which are attached we considered as N4. And we can do the modification to this, firstly to this N1, to this sulfonyl group, to this phenyl ring or aromatic benzene ring, and to this N4. And due to that modification it will give the different effects. So let's begin with this. So the first point related to that, the amino and sulfonyl group on the benzene ring are essential and it should be 1,4 position only. Means what? Here is the amino group which are having to the 4th position, means which is para to this sulfonyl group. If you change to this ortho or to the meta position, then it completely abolishes the antibacterial activity. So it must be having 1,4 position. Moving to the second point, N4 amino group modified to produce prodrugs which are converted to free amino functions and then gives the action. Here is the example of thalloyl sulfathiazole which is acts as a prodrug, means as such which is inactive, but after metabolism inside our body it gets converted into sulfathiazole and then it will be give the action. Moving to the third point, replacement of benzene ring by other ring system or introduction of additional substituents on it abolishes activity. Means this benzene ring must be unsubstituted other than this amino group and sulfonyl. If you add other substituents to this ring, then it will be used inactive compound. And one more thing, this if you change the ring, benzene ring, by any other heterocyclic ring system, then also it will be give inactive compound. Moving to the next point, exchange of SO2NH group by CONH group reduces the activity. Here is this group SO2NH2. If you replace whole group by CONH group, then it reduces the activity. Next point related to N1, substitution of heterocyclic aromatic nuclei gives highly potent compound. Means if you replace one hydrogen of this N1 by any heterocyclic ring, then it will give a very potent compound. But if you replace both the hydrogen atom, that is if you do the dash substitution, it leads to inactive compound. So here we seen all these points related to modification and its effect on the activity. A few more points you have to remember, like the active form of sulfonamide is the ionized one. And one more point, the maximum activity is observed between the pKa value 6.6 to 7.4. So here we finish the structural activity relationship of sulfonamides. Hope all of you getting this. Thank you very much. and keep learning.